Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to turn on auto backup in Google Photos. Okay, so you can turn on auto backup when you click any new photos on your phone. So it will be automatically backup to your Google Photo. So when you lost your phone, you can find out or you can synchronize photo from Google Photo in your new device. So how you can do this, I will show you in this video tutorial. I'm going to show you Android phone. So let's start with the video. So first let open the Google Photo. I suggest you first update your Google Photos from Google Play. Now log in with your account. Just click on it, and you can log in with your account. If you have already logged in with your account, you can just check it whether it is right email or not. Just select your email, and if you want to add another account, you can add from here. So use without an account, add another account. You can add another account from here. Okay. So now if you want to start auto backup, go to the photo setting and go to the backup and synchronize. Here it will be by default off, but if you want to on this, just on. When you on, you can see that this email ID, and you have 15 GB free from Google and 2% you have used. So all photo will be backup auto backup in this email ID only. Okay, so if you want to change this email ID, you have to come back and you can add the new account. So the account will be changed. Now if you want to select the quality of size photos, you just click on it, and you can upload the original quality, or you can upload the slightly reduced quality, which can save your data. Okay, mobile data, internet. And this is backup folder. So if you click on it, here you can see the Google Photo says that your camera folder is automatically backup, but if you want to choose another folder, you can choose from here. So this is my mobile or device folder. You can choose any folder. You have to on this. So photos from this folder also will be backup automatically. Okay, I just off. I don't want to just off. Okay, so that is how you can backup or start back auto backup in Google Photos. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.